In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo more actions in Adobe Illustrator. If you've ever found yourself working on a complex design and wished you could go back a few more steps than the default allows, you're in the right place. We'll explore how to maximize the undo functionality to save your projects and your time. First, you'll want to open Adobe Illustrator on your computer. Whether you're opening a new project or continuing with an ongoing one, having Illustrator up and running is your starting point. Imagine you're knee-deep in a creative project, and maybe you've tried out a few daring design choices. But now, some of those choices aren't quite fitting the vision you had in your mind. This is where the undo function becomes your best friend. The most straightforward way to undo your last action is by using your keyboard. Simply press Ctrl and Z if you're on a Windows computer, or Command and Z on a Mac. This shortcut is probably one of the most used commands, and for a good reason. It's quick and easy. By pressing these keys, you can step backwards through your recent actions one at a time. For those of you who need to go back further, Illustrator has a handy feature that can help you. Instead of repeatedly pressing that Ctrl and Z combination, head to the top of your screen, click on Window, and then select History from the drop-down menu. This feature gives you a visual list of the actions you've performed within your session. It's quite handy because you can see a timeline of your actions, allowing you to choose exactly where you want to go back in time. You can see each step and decide with confidence which actions you want to undo. Here's a tip. Making use of the History panel can not only be a lifesaver but also a learning tool. By retracing your steps, you can gain insights into your design process and maybe even discover new ways of refining your work. Now, keep in mind that while expanding the number of undos you can perform can be useful, it can also increase the memory usage of your project. So, it's always a good idea to save your work frequently. This way, if you need to go back several steps, and doing so becomes too heavy on your system, you'll have saved points to return to. And there you have it. A straightforward guide to taking control of your undo history in Adobe Illustrator. Whether you're fine-tuning a masterpiece or simply experimenting with new techniques, this expanded undo capability will give you the flexibility to perfect your designs with minimal fuss. Be confident in your ability to push artistic boundaries, knowing that you can always step back and adjust as needed. Thank you for joining me today, and happy designing!